Hello everyone, myself Mrs. Harsha Yadav, and today's our topic is Roman numerals. Numerals are used to represent numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. These are Hindu-Arabic numerals. Roman numerals is other system of writing numbers. It has 7 symbols. Children, we have done Roman numerals in previous classes also. In previous class, you have done numerals up to 20. Now see all of you. Here we are having Roman numerals and their Hindu-Arabic numerals. Just now I told you there are only 7 basic symbols. I stands for 1, V stands for 5, X for 10, L 50, C 100, D 500, M 1000. So these are the numerals, Roman numerals, and these are Hindu Arabic numerals for that. You have to learn them first to write the numbers in Roman numerals. It has no place value system and it has no symbol for zero. रोमन न्यूमरल्स में कोई भी प्लेस वैल्यू सिस्टम नहीं होता एज वी आर हैविंग इन हिंदू अरेबिक न्यूमरल्स and there is no symbol for zero. We have learned reading and writing Roman numerals up to 20 in the previous class. Let us extend the system to read and write up to 100. Now see all of you, there are rules for forming numerals. Rule number 1. Repetition of a Roman numeral means addition. This means when you repeat the Roman numeral, this means you are adding it. For example, X, X, X. Just now we have seen X stands for 10. What we are doing? We are writing X 3 times. Means we are adding X. We are writing 10 plus 10 plus 10. Here X we have written 10, for another X again 10, and for this one also 10. Means what we are doing? We are repeating Roman numeral, means we are adding it. X, X, X means 10 plus 10 plus 10, that is equals to 30. I, I. I stands for 1. So we are repeating I 3 times, means we are adding 1 3 times. 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is equals to 3. Similarly, we are writing 2 times X here, means we are adding 10 2 times. X, X, 10 plus 10, that is 20. Now, another rule. A smaller numeral written to the right of a larger numeral is always added to the larger numeral. For example, 10, here we have written X and 2 times I. What I said you? When a smaller numeral written to the right of a larger numeral. Here X means 10 is the larger numeral and I that is a smaller numeral. It is written to the right. जब आपका स्मॉलर न्यूमरल लार्जर न्यूमरल के राइट साइड में लिखा होता है, यू हैव टू ऐड इट. आपको उसको ऐड करना है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, X स्टैंड्स फॉर 10, I मीन्स 1. वॉट वी हैव डन? 10 plus 1 plus 1, that is equals to 12. Here also X and V. आपका X जो है वो लार्जर न्यूमरल है और V उसके राइट साइड में जो आ रहा है, दैट इज स्मॉलर न्यूमरल. What we have to do? We have to add the smaller numeral in the larger numeral. आपको 10 में 5 को ऐड करना है. So X for 10, V for 5. 10 plus 5, 15. Similarly, L, X. L stands for 50 and X stands for 10. Again x is written to the right and x is smaller than L. 10 is smaller than 50. Again we have to add 50 plus 10, 60. The next rule is a smaller numeral written to the left of a larger numeral is always subtracted from the larger numeral. For example, I and x. What I told you कि when it is written to the left of a larger numeral, larger numeral के जब left में smaller numeral होगा, at that time you have to subtract. आपको उसको subtract करना होगा. For example, x stands for 10 and I stands for 1. What we have done? We have done 10 minus 1 क्योंकि वो उसके पहले लिखा हुआ है, उसके लेफ्ट साइड में लिखा हुआ है, तो आपको माइनस करना होगा. 10 minus 1 is equals to 9. For example, XL. L is the larger number. L stands for 50 and x is written to the left of L. x जो है वो आपका L के लेफ्ट साइड में लिखा हुआ है, मतलब उसके पीछे लिखा हुआ है, तो आप उसको माइनस करोगे. So L is for 50, x is for 10. What we have to do? We have to do 50 minus 10, that is 40. Similarly, XC. C stands for 100. X is written to the left of C. This means we have to subtract 10 from C means 100. So 100 minus 10 is equals to 90. When a smaller numeral is placed between two large numerals, when a smaller number is placed between two large numerals, then it is always subtracted from the larger numeral immediately following it. For example, when a smaller numeral is placed between two larger numbers, here we are having xx, that is 10, 10. Here we have written 10, 10. Now I is the smaller numeral than v. v means 5. 5 से आपका I means 1 smaller है, तो आप 5 minus 1 करोगे, that is 4. And we have done in previous classes, I and V stands for 4 also. This also you know, 10 and 10, 20, and I and V stands for 4, or you can write it like this, 5 minus 1, 4. So your answer will be 10 plus 10, 20, and minus and plus 4, that is 24. Similarly, x stands for 10, I for 1, and again x for 10. What we have seen? We have to subtract this I means 1 from x. So, we will subtract 1 from 10, and we all know that I and x stands for 9. Either you put directly 9 or you can subtract like this. In this way, 10 plus 9 will become 19. I hope you have understood everything about the rules of these numbers. Now I am giving you some smart tips. Only I, X, C, M can be repeated. Only I, X, C, M can be repeated. आप सिर्फ इन्हीं रोमन न्यूमरल्स को रिपीट कर सकते हैं. V, L and D cannot be repeated and cannot be subtracted. V, L and D को आप रिपीट नहीं कर सकते हैं और आप इनको सब्ट्रैक्ट भी नहीं कर सकते. No symbol can be repeated more than 3 times. No symbol can be repeated more than 3 times. This means जो हमने अभी देखा था I, X, C, M को आप रिपीट कर सकते हो, पर आप उसको 3 टाइम्स से ज़्यादा रिपीट नहीं कर सकते. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल, here we have seen x, x, x. We have written x for 3 times. We have repeated it 3 times. हमने x को 3 times रिपीट किया है, that is 30. You can't write x x x x 4 times. आप उसको 4 times नहीं लिख सकते हैं. x can be subtracted from L and C only. x जो है वो सिर्फ L और C से subtract हो सकता है. L stands for 50 and C stands for 100. हम उसको, क्योंकि x जो है वो स्मॉलर नंबर है 10 है, वो 50 और 100 से ही सब्ट्रैक्ट होगा, L और C से सब्ट्रैक्ट होगा. C can be subtracted from D and M only. D is the symbol for 500 and M is the symbol for 1000. So C can be subtracted from D and M only.